Welcome to Lab 7, Interfacing Liquid Crystal Display LCD with Arduino board. In this video we'll go over the basics of connecting and using LCD for various Arduino projects. The objectives of this lab are to familiarize the students with the hardware components of the Arduino Uno board and to understand its layout and functionalities. We'll use the Arduino software IDE version 1.05 or newer to write, test and run programs that control LED using digital outputs on the Arduino Uno. We'll explore the versatility of Arduino by interfacing with different components such as LED, switches, piezo buzzers, and LCDs. Below are the materials needed for this lab. Breadboard with Arduino Uno. Adapter 12V AC to 12V DC. Keypad. 10,000 ohms potentiometer. 16x2 liquid crystal display LCD. 4x4 keypad. 220 ohms resistors. Light emitting diode LED. And piezo buzzers. Introduction. In this digital age, LCDs are ubiquitous, found in devices from simple calculators to smartphones, computers and television sets. LCDs utilize liquid crystals to produce images or texts and are categorized based on manufacturing type, monochrome or color, and graphical or character displays. This tutorial focuses on the 16x2 character LCD modules, which are popular in the DIY community and found in laboratories and industrial equipment. They can display up to 32 characters at a time, with each character made up of 40 pixels in a 5x8 matrix, allowing for the creation of alphanumeric and custom characters. These LCDs can easily interface with an Arduino for user interfaces and are commonly used in various electronic devices. The character segments are arranged in two lines with 16 characters each, with the most widely used controllers based on the HD44780 parallel interface LCD controller from Hitachi. Here is an example of a 16x2 LCD display and its pinouts. Now, let's proceed to the lab tasks. Program 1. Peace, Love and Code. Create and design a display showing the graphics found on the cover page of this experiment handouts. Draw the schematic using Tinkercad or Fritzing software. Run the program and verify that it works properly. Create a video demonstration of this program and save it to your YouTube channel. In your documentation, provide the URL link to this video along with a matching QR code for easy viewing. Cut and paste a screen snapshot of the final running circuit. Demonstrate the proper operation of the program to the instructor. Save and print the program. Program 2. Marquee message. Create and design a message marquee system. The program will be controlled by two light-dependent resistors LDRs in displaying the two marquee messages. That is, if the left LDR has sensed, it will display the marqueeing message from left to right direction, welcome to the PUPCPE department. Otherwise, it will display the marqueeing message, goodbye. See you again next time, from left to right direction. Program 3. A decimal calculator. Create and design a decimal calculator that can perform the following mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The mathematical expression formed from typing it via the keypad is being displayed over the LCD, as well as the output of the said mathematical expression. Program 4. Password-driven piezo buzzer. Design an Arduino circuit for a password-driven running LED. The program will ask the user to enter a password through the keypad. If the password is correct, it will buzz off the correct musical tone of your choice, and a running LED will light from left towards right. Otherwise, it will display the incorrect running LED pattern of your choice together with a sound off from the buzzer different tone from the correct password, and ask again the user to enter the correct password. Provide 3 trials for entering of the correct password. At the last attempt, if the password is still incorrect, Arduino will disable the keypad, that is, it will no longer be accepting any entering of password. It should display the corresponding prompts such as enter your name, enter your password, access denied, blank attempt already welcome. You can set some prompt in blinking effect. Note blank indicates the number of attempts made to the name entered by the user. Program 5. DIY LCD keypad video game. Create your own LCD keypad video game. You can include tone rendition as you play the game. Draw the schematic using Tinkercad or Fritzing software. Run the program and verify that it works properly. Create a video demonstration of this program and save it to your YouTube channel. In your documentation, provide the URL link to this video along with a matching QR code for easy viewing. Cut and paste a screen snapshot of the final running circuit. Demonstrate the proper operation of the program to the instructor. Save and print the program. Thank you for watching.